How to use the rank function in Excel. Let's take this table consisting of name, percentage, and rank as an example. The goal is to have a ranking based on the percentages assigned to the various people. Let's write the formula right away. So we write equal, rank and select the base formula. Now we have to select the reference cell for the percentage. Then, after the semicolon, we select the complete range of all percentages. To ensure that the range remains the same, we lock the cells using the $sign. Here we have Alberto's position. Now all we have to do is drag the formula to the bottom of the table. And here is our ranking, with Mary in 10th place with 15%, and Angela in first place with 98%.